Don't be nice is a popular saying among performance poets. It's often shouted at people as they step to the stage like, "Don't be nice, poet!" This is not meant to psych them out, but to remind them to not hold back, to say everything that needs to be said. If you're like me, not being nice is hard.
A word that describes who you are, who you're being, is kind.
You want to wave at everyone, smile the kind of smiles that make happy emojis jealous, play sports with the greatest sportsmanship of all time.
Because nice doesn't actually mean anything. People say, be nice, or she was nice, or that thing is nice. We can choose to say, be nice. Being nice is actually it's violent in many ways, because it's violence against yourself. There's something coming up inside you that may not be resourceful for the particular situation, and being nice means stuffing it back down. How many times do you have to be nice around your coworkers or the people that frustrate you at school or whatever the case may be?
Have you ever thought to yourself before going to sleep, tomorrow is the day I'll change. Tomorrow is the day I'll get up early in the morning, have a healthy breakfast, go for a morning jog, breathe fresh air. Tomorrow is the day I want to change to who I really want to be, the best version of myself.
Honor, but also consider how what you're being, who you're being on the inside, is not resourceful for the situation. There's a level of education, there's a level of compassion, there's a level of maturity associated with kindness.
Being nice makes my life nice. Being nice allows me to avoid conflict, and I do not love conflict. You could say I have a conflict with conflict, but do not tell this to conflict because I don't want it to get upset. A world where everyone floats around and the only currency is hugs, but we live in an actual world with stores that don't accept hugs, Target. A world with gravity and friction and evil forces, a world that demands we be more than nice sometimes. Nice by itself is parsley. I've heard that in order to give a talk like this, you're supposed to be an expert at something, and it embarrasses me to tell you that I've been an expert at closing my mouth, at telling myself it's not my place, that I can't change someone, that I should just be quiet and smile.
If you are not capable of cruelty, you are absolutely a victim to anyone who is. And so part of the reason that people go watch anti-heroes and villains is because there's a part of them crying out for the incorporation of the monster within them, which is what gives them strength of character and self-respect, because it's impossible to respect yourself until you grow teeth. And if you grow teeth, then you realize that you're somewhat dangerous, and then you might be more willing to demand that you treat yourself with respect and other people do the same thing. And so that doesn't mean that being cruel is better than not being cruel. What it means is that being able to be cruel and then not being cruel is better than not being able to be cruel. Because in the first case, you're nothing but weak and naive. And in the second case, you're dangerous, but you have it under control.